Everyone has photos but they don't want others to see. The truth is, even if you hide photos in an album, they can still be seen when you open the photo app. To keep them private, lock the hidden album. This video provides a quick guide to help you do so. Open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down to Photos and tap it. Turn off Show Hidden Album. This will hide your hidden album from the Photos app. Then no one will know what you are hiding. If you want to view the locked album again, just turn on the toggle when necessary. If you can't find the hidden photos, it might be because you have accidentally deleted them. You can try FonePaw iPhone Data Recovery. It can help you recover deleted photos from iPhone without backup. If you want to know more about locking apps or photo privacy, check out this playlist.